Good morning. How you guys doing? It's a new week. Happy Monday. I pray and hope that this new week works for us all. Well, I'm stepping out now. I want to get hair extensions, like attachments. I want to braid my hair. The hair on my head is scary. Like, you don't want to see it. Fear will never let me open it. It's traumatizing. So I want to quickly head out now to get hair extension. Let me just put my hair in a cornrow because school has resumed now and I need to start attending classes. So I need to at least look a little bit presentable. Don't mind how I'm looking. I've never had my bath. I got up maybe like an hour ago. I want to quickly get it. Then I'll check. The woman I buy things from, I don't know if she has opened this morning. It's currently after 9, so I'll check if she has opened her shop. I'll get a few things from her so that I can have food stuff, because currently I'm not having food stuff, so I need to do that, then come back to the hostel and give myself some tender loving care because I'm looking a mess right now. I need to also fix my toes because it's rough. The one I did since is already peeling. I think I might leave a picture on the screen, so I need to do something about it. And yeah, let's go. I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, I'm just coming in. You can see I'm sweating and all. I'm exhausted. I'm just coming back now from where I went to get things. Boy, Nigeria is expensive. Oh my goodness. It's like things just keep getting worse every day. If you see the small that I brought back, 4K is gone. I'm like, please, what did I buy? I don't want to think. Please, if you're in Nigeria and living in Nigeria, please give yourself a round of applause because we are all trying. As far as you can eat, even if it's once a day, please, you are doing well. Okay? Don't let overthinking give you headache. Okay? What is our stress? Because what did I buy? Don't worry, I'll show you guys now. And I'm like, why? And this is minus attachment. So I bought roll of milk, roll of tea, butter, and noodles. Few pieces. And 4K is gone. I'm like, where? It's well with us. So I haven't wanted to make stew, but the woman, she does not have fresh tomato and pepper yet. So I'll have to go back later if I have the strength. If not, I just bought small tomato. I'll show you the tomato they are selling 200. I'll just make egg sauce with potato and I'll have it for lunch and maybe dinner. Or we'll just see how it goes though. But let me see what I bought. This bag now that you are seeing like this is 4K. But let me show you guys. So it will not look like maybe I'm over exaggerating things. Okay, this is the tomato I bought 200. The miserable looking tomato. See, 4 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200 now. This. Then I bought, like I said earlier, a roll of tea and a roll of milk. Buying it this way helps me curtail my sweet mouth. If not, I'll just be packing it. But if I just take one of these, I'm good to go. Then I bought butter. 1K. What else? I bought 10 pieces of noodles. 1,200. Then the attachments that I wanted to buy. Half. This thing you are seeing now, 1K. In total, everything here you are seeing. What? Honestly, it's funny, but it's actually not funny. Everything you are seeing here now is 5K. Roughly 5K. I don't know what Nigeria is turning into, but God is our strength. Let me go and ask the girl that I told yesterday if she's free to help me with my hair. If not, let me know what I'm doing, because I have a class. I have an evening class later today and I cannot miss it. So I need to work with time today, no lazing around. So yeah. Hey guys, it's later in the day. I'm losing my hair. You know, I told you guys that I will not show you guys my hair. So I'm quietly losing it because the girl that said she will make my hair, she said she's not feeling too good. Please pardon any background noise. My roommates are in their cooking era, so they are both cooking. So everywhere is hot and there's noise everywhere. She said maybe before, I did that before 5 though, because of my class. I've been trying to read safe, but it's like nothing is entering my head. So I'll just wait and follow in class. I was even watching a movie safe. The Summer I Turned Pretty. Has anybody watched it? I don't know, I just started, so maybe if I finish and I give you guys a review on what I think. then I will come back and show you guys my hair when I'm done. My roommate said she will go and get something in June 12, so I begged her to help me buy tomato and protein. So I might still make this stew this evening. Then I would also cook. I've peeled, not me, my roommate helped me peel my potato, so she has reduced the work I have to do. I just have to like slice it to my desired preference, then I will fry it. Because I know potato is not something you can just fry and keep if it gets cold. Personally, I'm not a fan if it gets cold, so I'm trying to wait it out. I've had breakfast this morning. I had braiding on. So if I'm done cooking, I will show you guys. And also when I'm done with my hair, there's no water in school. I've not even had my bath yet, and this is already too. No water. I don't know their problem, but whatever, Sha. I'm tired. I even want to sleep, but I'm feeling sleepy. But because of the things that I need to do, right, it's not haunting my sleep. I don't know if I'm the only one that it happens to. Like if you have like loads of things to do, you will not be able to sleep because your mind is like running through the list of things you have to do. So that's it right now. Like I'm tired, I'm feeling sweaty and dirty. I'm not yet hungry, Sha, but I'm already prepping. I will blend the tomato and pepper, onion, whatever for my egg. Maybe when I'm done with my hair. Jesus. Then yeah, I think that's it right now. Nothing much, nothing interesting is going on. Just that the hostel now is fuller. A lot of people have resumed, so there are noises everywhere, cars, everything. Because our hostel is close to the road, my room. So there's noise here and there, but people should focus on me and not the road, you know. And yeah, this is me also thanking 27 of you guys. Like every time I go through my YouTube studio and I see the growth, I'm like, you people are trying for me, or honestly speaking, you guys are like trying. And I feel proud. I feel really proud. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah, let me finish my hair. Somebody's laughing like a goat here. But whatever. Alright now. See you guys later. So guys, I'm done with my hair. My hair is growing. I'm so proud. I actually started growing my hair this February. I think February 15 was when I started making it. And see my hair, this is June. It's giving length. No, on a serious note, if I straight this hair now, you see it's actually like up to here. It's growing on, and I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself. I heard there's water somewhere, although it's far from my hostel, but I'll go and fetch now. Let me bathe. Then I'll rest a little bit while watching the movie I'm talking of. Then I'll also be prepping on the side till I'm ready to make my hair. Then when I'm done with my hair, I'll come back and show you guys my hair. I pray she gets this style. It's just like basic all back though with calls through call the tip, and that's it, Sha. I'll see you guys later. 30 pieces. So hi guys, it's the next day. If you see my hair, I just finished making it. We could not finish yesterday. The girl that was making my hair was sick, so she just had to like put a hold on it. Then today she finished it. It's nice actually, but it's a little bit pricey. But at least now I look presentable. It's not that hair I was carrying before. At least now I can look at you people confidently. So how are you guys doing now? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are safe. So I think that's it. I think I'll end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Please and please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.